Hey there, and thank you for checking out WP Contest Creator. This is the tutorial on your main settings. This is actually what you will need to set up your contests and get them up and running as soon as possible. So let's get right into this. I'm going to show you exactly what to do to set up your contest. The first thing you want to do is make sure you activate your plugin here. That way you can use it. Just go ahead and paste your code that you received by email into the activation code box here, and then you're going to click activate. Once you do that, you'll be able to actually start using the plugin. From here, we're actually already put in some default text, but this first box here is contest rules, and these are going to be the default contest rules. Maybe you have a default contest rules for all of your contests they want to run. This is where you will put them. Then you also have the terms and conditions. This is also something that can save you some time if you want to have a default term and condition box that you want to display on all of your contests. You can put that in here, as well as the disclaimer. You can put the same thing here. So of course you can edit these per contest, so later on if you decide, you know what, I don't want to have the same one for all my contests, I want specific contest rules for one contest and not all of my contests, you can do that when creating a new contest up here. So we'll get into that later. For now, let's go down to contest finish state duration. What this is basically you can set a default duration for how long you want your contest to display as finished. So once your contest actually runs out of time, it will go automatically to a state where it is finished, and you can set that here of how long you want that to stay. So right now we just put 5 days and 3 hours just for an example. The same thing goes for contest winner state duration. So you can actually display the winner of your contest and show them here for a certain amount of time. This is where you can put it here. Days and hours, the same thing. Alright, so the next thing is participant email notification. It's very simple. Inside of our Contest Creator plugin, we have an option where you can activate to notify participants that the contest they entered has been successfully entered by them. So basically, if they put in their name and email address, they will actually get an email automatically saying thank you for participating and joining our contest. So in a nutshell, this is the name, sender name that you will put in that will come from you, and this is the email address that they will see when they get the email. So you're probably going to want to use your company email there and your company name, of course. And next we have SEO defaults. So by default you can set to apply no index, no follow, and no archive to all of your contests. So let's say you don't want any of your contests to appear in search engines. You can click these boxes and it will hide it from all the search engines like Bing, Google, Yahoo, and all that. And basically no one will be able to find them if they type in and search for your contest. Now if you don't want that, you can go ahead and uncheck those or check them, whatever you want to do. And of course per contest you can change this as well. So the next box that we're going to cover here is scripts and tracking. So let's say that you want to have tracking installed on all of your contests on your one domain. You can basically go to Google Analytics or any other kind of tracking software that you use, and you can go ahead and paste that script here, and this will add it to the footer of all of your contests. So that's it. That's pretty much all there is to it. The next thing we have here is your Facebook comments. Inside of the contest that we have generated for you within the plugin, there's a final step where contest participants, after they enter, they're going to have the opportunity to actually leave comments about your contest. And this is really, really handy because this actually will help you promote your contest through Facebook. So of course you will need a Facebook app ID. You can just click here and it will take you to Facebook and show you how to do that. You just paste the ID here and that will go ahead and activate that Facebook app ID for you. So that's all there is to it. We have a video. If you need more help on the Facebook app ID, check the training. We'll show you how to do that step by step. The last thing here is to actually put in your viral social sharing defaults. Basically what this is your own personal links for your brand, your company, your personal business, whatever it is. And on the contest final page after the participants enter, we will actually display this for you. So that way users, after they enter, they can go ahead and explore, learn more about you and your profiles. And if you don't want to show this, just we'll show you how to edit this in the templates later on and remove these fields. But if you want, go ahead and put them in here, and that's all there is to it. And the last thing you want to do, of course, is to make sure you save your settings. And that way you can be able to use your contests and start setting them up. That's all there is to it. To the next tutorial.